Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to train model in Kling AI. While the title says train, it's important to set expectations up front. Kling AI doesn't let you build or train a brand new model from scratch. Instead, you guide a powerful pre-trained model to create the video you want. Think of it like directing a skilled animator, rather than coding the animator yourself. This mindset is important because your results depend more on how clearly you guide the model rather than any technical training process. Start by heading to the Kling AI website. Once you're in the app, look to the left sidebar and open the Generate area. This is your creative workspace where you'll set up everything for your video and control how the output is shaped from the beginning. It's basically where all your creative decisions come together before the AI starts generating anything. In the prompt box, you'll describe exactly what you want to see. For this walkthrough, type a cute cartoon cat wearing sunglasses, surfing on a wave, Pixar-style bright colors. 3D animation prompts are your steering wheel, so be specific. Strong prompts include a clear subject, an action, a visual style, and any mood or color notes. If you're ever unsure, describe what you tell a human artist, who or what is in the scene, what they're doing, and how it should look and feel. Adding these details helps the model understand intent more accurately and reduces the number of retries. A good example approach is imagining you're briefing an animation studio. The more direction you give, the closer the output will match your idea on the first try. Next, choose the mode. Modes control how Kling interprets your prompt and optimizes the output. Pick the one that best matches your creative intent. If you want something more dynamic or stylized, choose the mode that supports that look. If you want something more straightforward, choose a mode geared toward general generation. This choice can significantly affect how artistic or realistic your final video appears. For example, stylized modes often work better for cinematic or animated content, while general modes are better for simple, clean outputs. Then choose the length. Shorter clips render faster and are great for quick tests or social posts. Longer clips give you more narrative room, but they'll take more time and resources. If you're iterating on ideas, start short, then extend. This helps you experiment without wasting credits or time on long renders that might need revision. A smart workflow is to test multiple short versions first, then scale up the one that performs best. Once you're happy, select your video ratio. Match this to where you'll publish. Landscape is ideal for YouTube and presentations. Vertical shines on mobile platforms, and square is a safe, flexible option. Choosing the right ratio up front helps avoid cropping later and keeps your subject properly framed in the final output. This is especially important if you're planning to repurpose the same content across different platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Now set the number of outputs. More outputs mean more variations to pick from, which is great for creative exploration. Keep in mind that generating multiple versions can take longer, so balance variety with speed. This is useful when you're testing different styles or trying to find the best possible version of your idea. Many creators use this to compare subtle differences in motion, lighting, or character consistency. When everything looks good, click Generate. Kling AI will process your request and render the clip. Generation time depends on your settings and queue, so give it a moment. Once it's done, preview the results. Watch for how closely the video matches your prompt, the energy of the motion, and whether the colors and style align with your vision. It's also a good habit to check frame consistency and any unexpected visual glitches. If it's close but not perfect, tweak the prompt wording or adjust your settings and generate again for refinement. Small changes in wording can often make a big difference in output quality, especially in style and motion consistency. Even adjusting a single descriptive word can shift the entire visual direction in a noticeable way. And that's it. You've used Kling AI's existing model to create a stylized video from a clear, well-structured prompt.